Yes, welcome guys once again into my channel. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed onto my channel and you're listening to this video, please subscribe onto my channel so that 2021. Alright, so I'll be teaching you guys how you can simply make 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 100,000 each and every day online using just your cell phone or your laptop. All right, guys, I'm so into affiliate marketing. If you do not know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply marketing somebody else's product online and then you make money. So you get a link, you market that link, and then you start making money. All right, so today I'm going to be going through a simple affiliate marketing program whereby you do not have to sell anything in order for you to be paid, and you are going to be making money like each and every time, each and every 30 minutes, guys. All right, so let me just show you our website because of I'm always so quick, and I also want you to see what you are here for. We are here to make money. All right, so I'm going to jump into this website, which is which okay, we've got the offer vault. Okay, can you see, guys? As you see here, it also tells you subscribe, and then you also make money or promote, you make money. You understand, guys? Yeah? So if you love money, you can make money on offer vault. All right, so you come here, you sign up on offer vault, you take their offers. They've got simple offers that can pay you like something like $5, $50, $4. You do not sell anything, guys. You simply promote this offer. If somebody signs up for this offer, like for example, this one is new honey. Uh, it's just an offer whereby you can see it's a CPA marketing offer. Somebody who can simply just put an email address, guys. Just to put your email address, and then you say sign up. You get paid this money, 20. That'll be $3.75. So imagine, guys, you can get maybe something like 2,000 people, 5,000 people just to sign up. I'm not talking about somebody who can come and buy just to sign up. You get paid $3.75. So if you get 2,000 people, calculate the maths, guys. This is too much money. You can end up on maybe something like 5,000 rands, $5,000 in less than maybe a week or so. All right. So again, this is not the only place whereby you can get these offers. We also got CPA lead. You come here, you sign up on CPA lead. You can sign up with your Facebook, with your Google account. When you sign up, you see, guys, I've already signed in on this account just to make it easy for you guys to simply see how you can make money on this affiliate leads. Okay, so if you stay along with me in this video, I'm also going to show you that when you get your leads, when you get your affiliate links from this website, where are you going to put this affiliate link so that you can start making money? All right, so I'm going to show you guys how you can make money using this affiliate link. So what you can do, you can come here, simply sign up, register. You'll get those $2, $5 offers that you can make people sign up for, and then you start making money. All right, and then let me just jump straight into where you are going to get your money, guys. You can simply come to Quora. Quora is a big website, actually, guys, where billions of people come and ask questions. Some they come to answer questions. That is how it works, guys. So you come here, you get to answer people's questions in Quora. When you answer people's questions, guys, people will actually see your answers. Whether you're answering by writing a simple answer, then you insert your link, or you can actually put an article and insert your link. People will click on your link, and then you make money. So for example, guys, if you can get an offer for maybe $2, let's say it's a Walmart offer, you put it there. People are asking like how like where to get these Walmart gift vouchers. You offer them that gift voucher, or you show them where to get that gift voucher through your link, guys. You make money. All right, And the other website where you can also make money, guys, is Facebook. If you come to Facebook, yeah, this is Facebook. You come on Facebook, you come on search, you can check groups on whatever niche that you are promoting. Then you promote those things. You promote your link into those groups. All right. And then you can also come here, guys, to Trendry.com, which is a very, very, very hot website. You can get something like maybe 5 million people coming into this website each and every month. So you can just get yourself your piece of pie there from Trendry.com. You come here, you log into Trendry, you put your ad, you start making money when people get to see your link, guys. So there are so many websites, guys, that I'll be sharing on this channel, whereby you can simply start making money onto. Like you can still simply get, if you check on my other videos, you can also see there are some other traffic sources that I'm also giving out. Free traffic sources, guys. These are free websites that I'm giving you. These are free ways of making money that I'm showing you here. All right. So subscribe into my channel, guys, so that you can get more videos like this, so that you can know how to make money. This is money, guys. You come here, you promote this. Somebody does not need to buy, only to sign up. Put your name and your email address. They confirm their email. You get paid. You come here, you choose any offer here. You make money, guys. If you love money, guys, this channel is for people who love money only. You understand? So if you don't love money, you can simply skip my videos, guys. But if you love money, you can subscribe so that you can see the other videos that I'll be making on how to make money, guys. How to make money. All right. So subscribe on my channel. Or below on the link, below on this video, I'll leave a link. You'll get an affiliate training, which is absolutely free. Check the link in my video down on this video, on the description. You'll see the link, guys. All right. So get on the free training, guys. Start making money. If you want to make serious money this year, 2021, also press the notification bell, the school bell there, so that you can be able to see my videos whenever I upload any videos. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Let's hope you can make money now online. All right. Bye.